back that there again.
Oh, wait, it can't be all the way over there.
Yeah, well, come on then.
You won't do anything, will you? You won't have a go.
Of course, I can't be a... Right! I've had enough! Alright, you've got the most responsible job.
Should we go back now, or do you want to go? Do you want to go?
What, and I crash it and then I'll never be into it?
Well, no, you should
Go on,
lift
Rach.
the phone out.
Live life
No,
dangerously.
right.
Ready?
No, I'm not.
One more go, we go.
Am I detecting a slight hint of discontentment? Not wanting to stand underneath it. That's a good height you got there.
I'll bring it down safely.
That was actually a pretty good landing, I thought.
It's still a bit too high for comfort.
How high up would it keep going now? Out of range, sort of
Oh,
thing.
my video.
Hmm?